What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you an Excel function that is hidden. Most of the time people they don't know. It's not really commonly used by people, but it's a very important tool that can enable you to analyze data, do data analysis. I'm going to show you a statistical analysis tool. To begin with that, you have to first go to file, then on file click on option, then the dialog box will appear. The dialog box will appear. Then on that, select add in, click on add in. Then this another dialog box appear again, and select on analysis toolpack. On analysis toolpack, on manage down there, select add in. If it is not yet selected, then click add in, then say go. Then from here, from this list, select analysis toolpack. On this small dialog box, select analysis toolpack, then click OK. After that, check on data. It will show on your right hand somewhere here. It will show here. So for you, what you need to do, you need to check it here on your right hand side, at top of your right hand side. To do that, go to data. Yes, that's it. Somewhere here, that's it. Now you can click here. Now, if you want to do any calculation, I have an example here already. I type already. Here I type something to do with the percentage of its protein and gain weight. So you need to perform correlation for that. From the menu bar here, choose the tools and click data analysis, which is here. After clicking data analysis, then the dialog box will appear. Select correlation because you want to do the correlation of protein contained and gain weight in grams. So select the correlation, then click OK. After clicking OK on correlation, then what you need to do is put the input range. You have to input range. Here you have to select all these here. This is the range. Then select the column. Click on column. After clicking on column, select the label in first row. Click on label here. After clicking on label, then select where you want your output to appear. For our case, I need our output. You can either need your output to appear on a new sheet, or you just put the range where you need the answers to appear. I want my answer to appear just also here. Then click where you want your answer to appear. I want my answers to appear from here, from E. I click there, then click OK. Then wait, you will see your results. This is the result, very simple. I want to expand so you can see. This is the result. Protein, then gain weight. This is the gain weight. 0.9. The protein is 1. The gain weight is 0.1. Very simple, guys. That is how to do correlation. You can you always do correlation on mathematical calculation, but Excel help you with the function of data analysis toolpack to calculate for you without struggling so much. It just as you need to know the procedures. The first step is you just select data analysis, select the correlation, then input the range, then click on column, select the label, then select where you want your output to appear. Then click OK. Your result is here. Simple. I hope you guys are getting. It's not hard, it's not difficult. Just follow my procedures and you will get the right answer. The other thing is, let's do another one using same data. I want to do for descriptive data analysis. It's still under data analysis. Let's go to data analysis. Click on data analysis. Select the descriptive statistic. Then click there. Select the descriptive statistic. I click there. Then I click OK. Hey, the same thing. Select the range. Select the range. I select this one, all the range. Then select the column. Input the range, select the column, click on label. Click on label. Then select where you want your answer to appear. I want my answers to appear somewhere here. Then click, then on here, select summary statistic. Then, then click OK. Here's the results. You can see the results. You can see the results here. Main is the answer. Just want to put so that you can see. Very simple. Protein, then gain weight. Protein, mean of protein is 9.4, sorry. The mean for gain weight is 74. Standard error. The standard error is 1 point. For protein is 1.5. Standard error for gain weight is 17. Medium 10. Medium is 80 for gain weight. Mode is not applicable for this case. Standard deviation, we have 3.5, 3.3. Standard deviation for gain weight, 38. You can see all these answers that their range. We have minimum, maximum, sum. All answers are there for you. All these just calculate for you without struggling using all formulas that you need to get this. There is always a formula of getting this. When you calculate mathematically, you have the formula of getting mode, standard error, medium, mean, maximum, mean. But for data analysis tool, it's really helping you. You just have to follow the procedure that I'm showing you for you to get descriptive. This is for descriptive statistic. Descriptive statistic, that's the one. And this one is for correlation. That is how you can get median, sample variance, kurtosis, and also for the range, all these. The third we need to do is regression. Regression is the same thing. Go to data. Regression, I think I have an example here for regression. Go to data. We want to get head weight or body weight. Go to data analysis using regression. Select the regression. Regression is somewhere here. Click there, then click OK. There it will, the dialog box is appearing saying input Y range, input X range. So Y range, this is our Y range. Click here. Select X range as well. Just by highlighting there, it will appear. As long as you put your cursor here, then you go and highlight, it will be here. Then now after that, then you need to select the output option. Let's select our output option here. On our output option, I want our output option to appear here somewhere. I want our output to be somewhere here or anywhere that I feel like here or here. Let's say I want my output to appear from here. Then I click OK. It said what? It said the error. Why? Because you select all from here up to down. The only thing we should select is here. I was just doing that intentionally so you can know when you select entire all from this body weight, it won't come, it will not give you answer. You have to select from this only. Then come here also as well. Select here. Then now select where you want your answer to appear. Then click OK. That's it. You can see now the difference. You don't have to select this one. Kindly. This is how you can do your head weight and body weight using statistical data analysis. It's very simple, very easy, very clear. And it does not take time. It's not time consuming. This is the result. Perfect. Now you can see we get the result for multiple R regression statistic. We have square 0.96. We have adjusted square 0.94. We have standard error 2.3. Observation is 5. Then we go up to NOVA. On NOVA here, we have difference. We have SS, we have MS, we have F, and we have this GF. Regression 1, we have this is the answer. Differences 1 is this is 399.78. 309.78 almost the same. 75 frequency. Then 0.00 GNIF difference. So let's go to residual. Residual is this 16 total of 416. That is the total. Coefficient, standard error, t start, p-value, lower, upper, lower, upper. This is it. Intercept. Y variable 1. X variable 1, 2 point this, 2.3, 0 point this, standard error. T start is 6, 8.6. Intercept 13, 13.8, 6.8, and also for p-value, you can calculate the same thing mathematically without using data analysis. That will take you like 30 minutes to get all the right answer. But for this data analysis, it's very simple. You just follow procedures. Just the only thing you need to know, you type all those. For me, I just type it before. That's why it's so easier for me to do it. Just type there and do the regression. Let me repeat. Regression, you type what you want to do the regression. Then make sure always highlight only numeric numbers. Don't highlight this one. Range, when you are told to do the range, this is the range for all the, you do the range for this, the range for this. Then from there, select the output where you want your output to appear. That is it. If you understand one from correlation, it's just the same thing. You just follow the procedures and make sure to select on summary when you are working with correlation. Click on summary. Don't forget to click on summary. Then our last not least is I want to show you once more. Let's go to data analysis. Now I already typed this on. Daily production of 2 pesticide factories is recorded as follows. I want to do the data analysis for this. For me to do data analysis for this one, what I know, first you need to go to data analysis, toolbar, then select what I want to calculate there. I want to do the t-test. T-test 2 sample assuming equal variances. I will repeat. T-test 2 sample assuming equal variances. Select on dialog box that you should select. It's here down. We got t-test pairs 2. We got t-test 2 sample. We got t-test 2 sample. We have assuming equal variances and unequal variances and 2 test pair. So for this one, I'm going to show you 2 examples on this. I'm going to show you how to get the result of t-test 2 sample assuming equal variances. That's the first thing we are going to do. Click on there and click OK. Select the variable range. The variable range 1 is the one for A. It's range 1. Select range 1 to last. Then click there where you want to the variable range 2 to appear. Then select range 2. On range 2, you select the one for B. Then now, after selecting that, then now click on labels. Make sure you click on label. Go to input where you want your answer to appear. Then select where you want I want my answers to appear from here. Then I click OK. That's it. Very simple. Results are here. By just following that simple procedures, you have your answers. Here is your answers. Test T-test two samples assuming equal variances A and B. On mean, the mean for A is 15 and for B is 13.5. Variables for A is 19.9. This one is 20.3. Observation is 8 and 6 for B. You can see it's just going down there up to the last. We have critical 2. We have a P, this equal one tail answer. It just gives you all the summary and all the answers for teachers without any struggle. Let me do the last one. Let me show you the last one, the last function for data analysis. I'm using the same example here. I'm using this to show you another example, the last example. We have more, but for my case, I'm just showing you like few, like 5 function of data analysis. I show you correlation, how to use correlation. I show you descriptive. I show you regression. I show you equal variances. And the last I'm going to show you right now is a t-test two samples assuming unequal. Click there, then click OK. Then the same thing, select the variable 1. The variable 1 is A. Select from A is A. Select from A up to number I. Then come here, variable 2. Select B, the whole of B up to I. Then select where you want your answers to appear. Select the label. Then select where you want your output to appear. Here. I want my output to appear somewhere here. Then I click OK. This is the answers. This is my assuming. You can see here that it's different. Test 2 as samples assuming an equal variable. Likewise, the difference is this. For this one, the difference is here. It is an equal variable, and this one is equal variable. It does not have huge difference. If you can look at mean, the mean is the same, 15, 13. We have like variance the same, 19, 20. Observation, 8, 6. Hypo, 0, 0. The difference is between differences. You have 11 and 13. 11 and 12, sorry. That is the difference. It's almost the same, it's equal. It doesn't have much difference between unequal and equal. For test 2 sample assuming equal variable. We have a lot on data analysis here. So all this, you can just go through and do anything that you wish to work on. There's so many of them. I show you only 5. You can do more on data analysis tool. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like, and I will appreciate